Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about COVID-19. Oops, I forgot to wear something. This is what I forgot. I forgot to wear my mask. So friends, when you go out, don't forget to wear your mask. Today, I'm going to tell you the proper way of sneezing or coughing when you're out. This is how we used to sneeze before COVID-19, friends. But do you think this is the correct way? No, if you sneeze or cough on your hand, the germs will be there, just like shown in the picture. If you are wearing mask, you can sneeze or cough. But if you are wearing cotton mask, once you reach home, please wash it. If you are wearing disposable mask, please throw the mask in a proper way. If you didn't wear mask, use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose to sneeze or cough. Practice yourself to sneeze or cough at the place you are not surrounded by people. If you don't have tissue, don't worry friends, you sneeze or cough into your elbow. And also don't forget to practice yourself to sneeze or cough at the place you are not surrounded by people. And friends, once you sneeze on elbow or tissue, please wash your hands. Thank you friends. See you next time.